So today we're going to be talking about harvesting the seeds for your fall veggie gardens. You're definitely going to need some pollinators. So today we got some few things in our nice paper bags here as far as a bunch of different flowers. They could definitely propagate easily from seed. We have a zinnia. You can see the petals have dried a bit. The stem started browning. It's usually a good time to start grabbing the seeds, and I got this white piece of paper here so you can easily see. These are pretty easy. All you have to really do is just pull the petals, and then they're going to look like small little arrowheads. If you wanted to zoom in on that, that's what they pretty much look like. You take the petals off, and this is pretty much what you're left with. You got yourself some zinnia seeds. Cosmos are another good one. They're really easy. Basically, after the flower petals fall off, you'll start seeing this spiky kind of ball start forming, and that's pretty much the seeds. Generally, what I'll do is I'll just keep them on the plant, and I'll just pop them right off. These things are really easy to propagate. Almost grow like weeds at some point, and then voila, like magic. You got a whole bunch of little cosmos seeds right here. Here next we have Gaillardias. Pretty much similar. Sometimes they can be tough depending on when you pick them, but I usually go right after the stem starts to die back. So what you're going to do is just simply pull them off, and they look like little tiny darts. This is a black-eyed Susan, kind of similar to the Zinnia. You can see how the stem started dying back and all the petals are gone. It's all dried out. So these I usually just tear open. But the black-eyed Susans, the seeds are really small. They look like itty bitty sunflower seeds. There's a whole bunch of them in here just mixed in with all the chaff here. There's one. Here's a couple. Now on to one of my favorites, and also an easy one, marigolds. Now, propagating these is pretty easy. You wait for them to dry, and it just kind of pulls out pretty easily. This part right here, you can just kind of, the petals and a bunch of the other stuff, I just kind of throw that away. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll take the bottom of it, pinch it, and then just start trolling it about. Sometimes it needs a little help and just pop right out. So legumes are pretty easy. This one is a butterfly pea. It is a host plant to a couple butterflies, and it's got a nice, pretty beautiful pea flower, but I usually just twist them. You'll hear them pop, and they all just kind of just separate it. They just kind of fall right out. And you got some of your butterfly peas. And this one's a vine in itself, so if you got like a fence or you want to grow it up along with your tomatoes. If you're going to store your seeds, definitely want to store them in a cool, dry area. Paper bags I like to use, and then sometimes I'll get like those little silicate packs that you find in your shoes and stuff like that. I can pretty much take this entire pack right here and just chuck it into any garden, and I'll have a pretty good germination rate. Thank you for joining us today in our easy seed propagation video here at Rockledge Gardens. I'm Norman, and if you got questions, you can always call us. You can find us on our website, and thank you. Have a nice day.